Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you two really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamps. This is Pat's equipment from Texas. This is the initial checkout of these two lamps, and these are very sought after lamps. People really like them, and they talk when you turn them on and when you turn them off, and so they're a very cool lamp. And Pat is having some issues with these lamps. One of them does not work at all, and the other lamp has the animation, but the light doesn't work. So we want to get in these lamps and troubleshoot them, and we're going to go ahead and start that process, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of these really cool Mickey Mouse animated lamps. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these two animated Mickey Mouse lamps, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention the tags that this style lamp will have on them, and they always have 75 watts as the maximum bulb size. I would not use a 75 watt bulb in this style lamp. The lamp shades are very delicate, and 75 watts produces quite a bit of heat, and it can discolor the plastic on these animated type lamps, and it can affect the bulb sockets. So if you could use a 60, that would be about as high as I would go in the wattage, and if you could get away with a 40, that would be great. They just generate too much heat when you have a large bulb, and that will tear up the lamp. Now they even make LED bulbs now, and they don't generate the heat that the older style bulbs will. And so it would probably be best to use an LED bulb in this style lamp because they are highly collectible lamps, and the heat is what will tear them up. Now we want to go ahead and start with our Mickey here, and we're going to turn him on.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
You do not want to turn these lamps on and off real quick because that's not good for the type of circuitry that they have in them. And we'll go ahead and turn this lamp on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And we'll turn the first one off.
Lights out.
And they always have real cool sayings when you turn them on and off. We'll go ahead and turn this one off.
See you real soon.
We'll go back to the first one.
What a bright idea.
We'll do the second one.
Ah, that's better.
We'll turn the first one off.
So on, pal.
We'll go back to the second one, turn that one off.
Hey, who turned out the... Oh, I did.
And one last time, we'll go to the first one, turn that one on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And we'll turn on the second one.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that these two really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamps have been repaired, we can return them to Pat, and she can enjoy these lamps once again. Like we mentioned earlier, they're highly collectible, and they're just a really cool lamp, and I'm sure they're going to look great no matter where they're used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.